So, dear student, this is the question. A farmer connect a pipe to internal diameter of 20 centimeter. So, radius of pipe, it is 20 centimeter. It can change into the meter. So 20 by 100. So it is R equal to 1 by 5 meter. Okay? And speed of water flowing. Speed of water flowing in the pipe that is 3 km per hour. Since remaining all parameters are given in meter, so you have to change it into the meter per second. Okay? So 3 to 5 by 18. So 5 by 6 meter per second. Let the tank will fill in the t second. Let the tank fill in t second. So h equal to travel distance, speed is given 5 by 6, so it is 5t upon 6 meter. Now use the formula volume of water in tank equal to volume of water in pipe. Volume of water in pipe equal to volume of water in tank. This is pi R1 square H equal to pi R2 square H1. Pi and pi both are cancelled out. Okay? Now put the value R1. This is the R1 and this is the H1. So it is equal to R1 square H1 equal to R2 square H2 square. Okay? R1 square is given 1 by 5 and H1 equal to 5t by 6. R2 and this is the square. R2 square here, 10 square H2. It is 2. So this is 1 by 25 equal to 5t by 6 equal to 100 into 2. So it is the 5. So t upon 30 this is equal to 200. So t equal to 200 into 30, it is in the second. Since it is the more than 60, so we can change into the minute. Okay? So t equal to 200 into 30 upon 60 minute. So this is 2 times, this is the 100. So it is the 100 minute. And 100 minute can be written 1 hour 40 minute. So this is equal to 1 hour and 40 minutes. So now next question. Actually, frustum of cone is not in your syllabus. Okay? So now you will revise well this topic, surface area and volume. Okay? If any doubt, you can ask. Now I am going to start new chapter, that is the quadratic equation. Okay? And in quadratic equation, one topic is very important. Chapter number 2, polynomial. Polynomials. So what is the geometric meaning of the zeros? Geometrical meaning of the zeros of polynomial. It is the very important. So geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. The zeros of the polynomial. This is a very important topic. So, suppose this is the coordinate axis and one straight line intersect the x-axis and y-axis. Okay? So, since this is the equation of line and this line intersects, suppose this line is the y equal to 2x plus 3. So, this is the linear equation. And linear equation always represent the straight line. Linear equation always represent the straight line. Suppose y equal to 2x plus 3 equal to 0. When put y equal to 0, so it is 2x plus 3 equal to 0 and 2x equal to minus 3 and x equal to minus 3 by 2. So this is the zeros of the This is the zeros. Okay? This is the 0. Since degree of polynomial is 1, so 1 zeros is there. And geometrical meaning of that the graph of that equation is intersect x-axis at only one point. Getting my point? So, zeros of this equation is 1. How many zeros of this linear equation? 1. So, graph of this equation is intersect the x-axis only at the one point. Suppose quadratic equation is there. Take another equation, that is y equal to x square minus y equal to x square minus 3x plus 4. This equation is the quadratic equation. Suppose the graph of this equation is that. Put y equal to 0. Y equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay? Now, it's better you take its minus. So, factorize it. Split up the 4 in two parts such way their difference is 3. So you can x square minus 4x plus x minus 4 equal to 0. Take x minus 4 and plus 1. It is x minus 4. This is equal to 0. So x plus 1 and x minus 4 equal to 0. So there are two values of the, it is minus 1 and 4. That's why the graph of that one is the so this is the point x equal to 4 and this is the point x equal to minus 1. Okay? So degree of quadratic equation is 2. So there are two zeros of the quadratic equation. And meaning of that is the equation x square minus 3x minus 4 intersect the x-axis at the 2 point. Intersect the x-axis at the 2 point. So how many zeros of this quadratic equation? That is 2. If any graph is intersect the x-axis at 3 point, so zeros of the graph is the 3. That is the cubic equation. Okay? Now